Hello, students. Let us discuss the key concepts of our community and public health nursing practice. Let us begin by understanding where CPHN stands in the structure of nursing practice. Nursing science doesn't exist in a bubble. It blends different fields like biology, behavioral sciences, and the social sciences to provide holistic care. For instance, when caring for a person with hypertension in the community health nurse considers the biological basis of the disease, the patient's eating habits, and even their stress levels due to work or family responsibilities. What sets CPHN apart is that it shifts the focus from the individual patient to the entire population. The community health nurse provides barangay wide activities to combat hypertension instead of focusing only to one specific patient. CPHN promotes prevention and wellness across all groups, from children, mothers, fathers, students, up to senior citizens. This is done through vaccination, health education, and lifestyle interventions. Let us now discuss the hierarchy that shows how CPHN relates to other nursing specialties. We can see here that community and public health nursing is at the top, covering broad public health work that cuts across age groups and conditions. Mental health and psychiatric nursing focuses on psychological well being, which now often integrates with CPHN due to increased mental health awareness. Maternal and child health nursing overlaps with CPHN in areas like prenatal care and child immunization. Adult health nursing focuses on chronic disease management in adults. Another area where CPHN plays a role through community based interventions. While each field is specialized, CPHN connects them with the community based, preventive, and system focused lens. In community and public health nursing, our focus client is not the individual, it is the entire community. What is a community? A community is a group of people living in the same place, sharing values, beliefs, and traditions. For example, in a Muslim community in Cotabato City, religious practices impact health decisions like fasting and medication adherence. A community also has defined geographic and cultural boundaries, such as coastal areas with distinct sanitation needs. Understanding the community as a whole helps nurses create culturally sensitive, resource matched, and inclusive health plans. How does community and public health nursing define health as a human right and as a social goal? For CPHN, health is a basic right and a global priority, enshrined in laws like the Universal Healthcare Act. CPHN addresses not just physical health, but also social and environmental factors, the social determinants of health. In Manila's urban poor areas, for example, poor housing and unemployment directly affect health outcomes. As community health nurses, our goal is to promote wellness and reduce gaps. We help communities like those in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas by providing access to birthing stations, vaccines, and nutrition programs. As nurses, we are the main drivers of health promotion, education, and leadership in the community. Nursing is caring, yes, but also about advocacy and education. We teach people about hand washing, safe food practices, and proper medication use. CPHN also applies public health theories and tools like data from surveillance and models like the Pender's health promotion model. Nurses lead. In many barangays in the Philippines, it is the nurse who manages the health programs, communicates with LGUs, and activates local partnerships. Before we end this discussion on key concepts of CPHN, let us recap the three main pillars of CPHN practice. First, CPHN focuses on populations and health determinants. It sees beyond symptoms to what causes health or illness in entire groups. Second, it views the community as the main client, ensuring that services match people's needs, culture, and context. Third, nurses do not just follow policies. We lead health programs, promote wellness, and advocate for those who need a voice. As you begin your journey in community and public health nursing, remember that you are more than just a nurse. You are a bridge between the people and the healthcare system.